Hello, my name is Sonia. Today talk about step 5, prepare a reverse logistics system design. Introduction. Reverse logistics is very important not only in companies but also in homes, and from there a very important role can be played by creating an ecological system of social responsibility, reducing the impact of pollution on the environment. Identify the recovery options that can be given to each waste. Waste option: plastic recovery and recycling, glass recovery and recycling, and metal recovery and recycling. Glass recovery and recycling. A specific trash can for each type of material. Glass, your type is alking of the bottle. Vases of flowers decorated with ribbon or other material. Containers for food such as spice, salt, sugar, among others, lamps, chandeliers, and the others. Glass container can be used for many things, such as glass can be recycled in an unlimited way without losing quality. Plastic. These materials are two types: bottles, bottle caps. Bottles are separated by size, and they can be used for different things such as garden tools, such as flowers, pots and plant watering, plastic bag, dispenser, toys for pets. Ecological bricks, plastic bottles filled with bugs of all kinds. The bottle caps, the plastic caps are made of polyethylene, so they can be used for children crafts at home and separated from the bottle and deposited in the other container. Plastic recycling will also mean lower volume of emission of gases that are harmful to the ozone layer and the stability of ecosystem. Metal. All pots and any metal object. In my house, there is a micro company in which the correct collection and sparing of metal materials is carried out, and this type of material is sold as scrap metal, giving an economic benefit. Recycling scrap reduces water, air, and mini waste pollution by 17%. Propose performance indication that measure the effectiveness of the proposed reverse logistics system. Plastic, bottle of water, juice, cookie hearts, and plastic work. Unit 10. The then bottles are regularly removed of the recycling pass. With the reverse logistic method, only the wrappers are removed. System and small garden was created use the plastic bottles, glass, coffee hearts, sauce hearts, and both monthly. 5. The 5 glass containers were previously take out along with the garbage. No coffee containers are used as glass, and sauce containers are used to store other food. Metal, damaged pots and dishes, 1 or 2, since there is a previous treatment for the treatment of this material is not mensurable. biography. Thank you for your time.